am here outside of the Chinnaswamy Stadium, and what has happened here, celebration turned into chaos. And it is something that we never want something like that to happen. Is watching a team for a few seconds, for a few mini seconds, worth your life, is the question I'm asking here. Because to celebrate RCB's win, to celebrate Royal Challengers Bengaluru's win in the IPL, there was a victory parade announced, and it started from the Vidhan Sabha till the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Now, it was told that it would be an open bus celebration, it would be an open bus parade, and people, obviously, it's Bengaluru, it is known for that fan following, they are known for showing up in huge numbers. And this is a development that happened in the morning when there was a back and forth between the police and RCB or whoever is the appropriate authority here about the fact that whether or not this will happen, because police were suggesting logistical issues, they were suggesting that it could get dangerous for people because people will show up in large numbers, and that is exactly what has happened. And it's kind of sad. Behind me is an ambulance, and you can see that there's an ambulance, and outside there's a huge lane here, there's the main entry and all of that. And what has happened is people, because they showed up in huge numbers, there was a stampede like situation. There was no space for breathing there. People were suffocating, people were getting injured, they were climbing up on barricades, they were climbing up on trees to find relief. That was the situation that was happening. And behind me, the ambulance that you're seeing there, people who have been injured outside have been coming in and getting their treatment. On the other hand, ambulances have been leaving some of the gates, taking injured people to the hospital. And from what we have heard from reports from the Hindu, that 3 people have sadly lost their life because of a stampede like situation outside of the Chinnaswamy Stadium. So when the police said in the morning that there could be a logistical issue, should that have been kind of heard, should the victory parade have been cancelled or something like that, any solution that we could have found for the common people here, for the fans. Because at the end of the day, there was no open bus parade. People showed up, but as you know, that the RCB bus is completely covered. Even in the morning when people showed up at the airport, they could not get a glimpse of anything but Virat Kohli, who was sitting in the front. And that's the only reason why they could see him. Other than that, the RCB team bus is completely covered. So what was all of this for? I'm here at the Chinnaswamy. There are celebrations going on inside. There will, celebrations will start soon. But at the same time, you have to ask yourself, is a glimpse of a player or a team, someone you love very much, an idol or a hero, is it worth risking your life for?